is Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Happy Sunday night. This is the second installment for hashtag Bright and Prosperous 2021 collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sarah of Rero Crafts, Ayesha of Young's Paper Creations, and myself, Nelda's Crafts. There are 9 more very talented crafters who are part of this collaboration, and all the links will be in my description. So please also support these channels because you will get inspired by their very beautiful work. The goal of this collaboration is to channel positivity, love, and inspiration to all of you, and I hope that you watch their videos as well. I am very happy with this group. It is my first time to host a collaboration on YouTube, and so far I believe that this is going very well. But please also let us know how we are doing by your comments, and we appreciate that very much. So again, this is second installment. We have 2 more to go, February 7 and February 21. For this collaboration, we are not supposed to buy any more new materials. We are supposed to use whatever we have in our stash. But since I recently bought some items that I want to use to learn more things and to learn something new, I used as well those materials plus the other stuff that I already have. So these are what I would like to share with you. I made these projects using epoxy resin, and it is my first time to use this art resin. So these are very imperfect projects. And the first thing that I'd like to show you is this coaster that I made. And for this project, I used this silicone square mold, and I added some glitters, and inside are pressed dried flowers. I did not add any color in here, just the flowers and then some glitters. And this is really hard. It's cured already. And so I'm happy with this. But look at the back. There's this big bubble there, and I think it is from stirring the art resin so much that it created that bubble. And then the edges still need to be sanded, but overall this is alright for me. The second project is another coaster, and this time I used so many colors. I actually used my old alcohol ink, and I did not use the alcohol blending solution, so this is what happened. And I don't know, the colors is very dark, but I used yellow, I used the purple and blue and green and red alcohol ink, and this is what happened. So there's some glitters here. For the first time, I kind of liked it, and the back is not very polished. Again, this needs to be sanded, but I would put cork in here, so this is not gonna show. So I used again the things that I already have, except for the resin and the hexagon silicone mold, and I liked using it. I may get more projects done using this mold. And then the third one is a circle coaster, and the same color. I believe that there are just so much green and purple and blue in the solution. I don't see the red and the yellow anymore. And here is the silicone mold that I used, which I kind of love as well. This coaster is going to be for my personal use only, so I believe this is okay. So much imperfections, but this will be sanded off and also put cork on the back. So for now, I'm okay with this. First time, I think is okay. And then I made some charms. And so I made this bracelet also using my old beads. And this is an elastic cord that I used. And it is the most imperfect charm that I had in this group. And I used this silicone mold, and you can see the bubbles, but I'm alright with this. The color is, you know, just yellow and some glitter, and I am just going to use it now. And then these are some of the charms that I also use using the silicone mold, and I added some glitter and just played with different colors. Very, very simple. and very imperfect project as well. And then this is the other one using a small square silicone mold. This is the back. And this is the next one. This is also very, very imperfect. But I am going to keep this so that I can track my progress using the resin. So these are the silicone molds that I use. And then here are some more that I used for my keychain. And I just added this tassel, and that's the back. And then here it says, "Drive safe. I need you here with me." So I will probably give this to my daughter or to my friend. And this is another one. And the same "Drive safe" charm. And this charm I didn't do. I made the resin charms, but not the tassel and the "Drive safe" charm. And then this is the other one. I put together this faith beads and just made a dangle. But you can see the bubbles here. And I just put a vintage key. So these are my projects using the epoxy resin for the first time. These projects are very far from being perfect, but I am happy with this because I get to try other things. And that is what I want to tell you, because when it comes to crafting, there is always something new to learn. We can always progress and improve on our present skills, and we're never too old to start learning something new. I am 54 and I am still learning something every day. I try to create something, even if it is imperfect, even if it is kind of a mess. That is okay with me because this makes me happy, and I hope that this inspires you to try something new. I know that now I would like to really learn more about the epoxy resin. This is my favorite piece so far among all this, but it is very imperfect and very amateurish, and I would like to improve on that. So there you go, everyone. These are my projects for the second installment of hashtag Bright and Prosperous 2021 collaboration. Please watch the other videos and leave us your comments. We would like to know how we're doing. We have 2 more installments to go, which is February 7, I believe, and February 21. I hope that the Bright and Prosperous 2021 collaboration is able to inspire you, and you're able to feel the good vibes and positivity that we are hoping to channel to all of you. So thank you again, everyone, for being here right this very moment with me. Thank you for supporting my channel. And if you are new, please hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And please also support the other collaborators. Again, Bright and Prosperous 2021 is hosted by Sarah of Rero Crafts, Ayesha of Young's Paper Creations, and myself, Nelda's Crafts. But there are 9 more very talented people who are part of this group, and I am truly grateful for all of them, and I am very proud of all of them. So thanks again, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.